increase the preparedness and involvement of staff. Any first can we report today or yesterday report? This is the first learning. So now they will take care of this is the BMC. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ 70 BMC
ఓన్లీ నో థర్డ్ పార్టీ
ఈ రెండే మనకు థర్డ్ పార్టీ వాడాలి.
మేడం కల్పన మేడం రండి.
Here we are doing this is
RDR picture of the DRP system.
okay.
MD
Operator of the MD. Okay. Then the chances based on the not able to take. What is that critical point? अच्छा तो उसके लिए वो standard is that standard. Other trend है या नहीं कैसे बताते हैं?
So it directly indicates here, sir.
Okay, indicate. It will be stored.
Yes, it will be stored up to initial temperature of depending on the weather conditions. Then milk will be cooled down up to 4 degrees. After 4, it will put on the bottom mode. So whenever temperature goes beyond the 1 degree, suppose it goes to 5, the means will automatically start again maintain the temperature below 4. Then we are looking at the
So tanker will come daily. What time?
it will not be daily, sir. It would be based on the milk volume of 2 to 3 months. We will be able to change it daily, sir.
అక్కడ అయిందా లేదా? చేసి వచ్చారంటున్నా